Welcome to Public Service TV. Joe Biden and Kamala Harris, enjoy your 15 minutes of fame. Your fraud will not get you the presidency. All the spineless globalist leaders in Europe may congratulate you all they want as the fake news media declare you as president. This election is far from over, as our president said. Donald J. Trump is still the president. And he will remain the president for 4 more years. If you are a Trump supporter, wherever you are, your fight has just begun. Hey Biden, you socially distance yourself from decency, and the decent ones will expose every inch of that sick, dark closet of yours to the light of the Creator. So get ready, my friend. The show is only beginning, and we will be writing the end. To all of you so-called globalist experts out there, the majority of Americans want you to socially distance yourself from their government. This is Public Service TV. We will see you next time. Take care.